Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 46 in Valorant. To start, open Task Manager. Make sure your Valorant is closed. To do so, select search icon from the taskbar. Click on Task Manager and check. After that, press Windows and R key at the same time and type services.msc in the search bar. Click on OK. Then, find VGC and choose Properties. Type Automatic and click Apply. Now go to Command Prompt from the taskbar. Here, type in ipconfig/flushdns and then press Enter. Now type in netsh space winsock space reset and then press Enter. Restart your system. Then search for the Riot Client Service folder. Right-click and then select Troubleshoot Compatibility. Then click Next. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.